And this is the ID. We already spoke to the real customer, and she's in PA.
So what she's trying to do?
She's trying to withdraw $4,000 out of her account. Back office already know that there's something going on, so they probably already were able to withdraw money. Yeah.
Oh, she's already.
Yeah. Not today. Okay. So she don't know that a new account was open, but she's trying to take money.
So do you guys know if she was the one that withdrew the funds?
I'm not sure.
Okay. Did you know the location where that happened?
No, I could try to check, but
if you could check.
But this is definitely not Cheryl.
Ma'am. No. You're not gonna do that. You're not gonna stand over there, please.
I literally have to my ride.
Stand over there. I'm not gonna tell you then, please. Stand over there.
Cheryl?
Yes. Absolutely. And you have a card?
Yeah, well, just go outside. I'm not gonna put it over here.
Where's your ride?
You said what?
Let's stand under that tree over there.
Where there's shade.
Okay.
Yeah, where there's shade.
Okay.
Listen, stay where I gotta talk to them before I even know what the heck's going on.
So what's the matter?
He's coming. He's gonna speak with you. After he finishes speaking with people in the bank.
You're Officer Akadima?
Yes, ma'am.
Philadelphia,
yeah.
Pennsylvania, I mean?
Yeah, Pennsylvania. I'm talking to them right now.
Okay.
This is the third time that she has been trying to withdraw money.
So what?
160.
You can hold 66 for me.
That's his beat. Stay 10-12. Let me run this ID, all right? I've not asked anything else. I've not run the rest yet.
Who's the person?
Right now, Jonathan is on the phone.
Hey, what's going on? Who's this individual here? Alright, so pretty much we're over here with someone that's claiming to be you and trying to pull out funds. Let me give it back to the gentleman over here, okay? Alright, bye. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you are being questioned. Well, talk to me about why we're here today.
I'm not really sure. Questioning, I guess, my ID or something.
Okay, what's your real name?
It's Cheryl.
Is it Cheryl?
Cheryl.
Okay, where'd you get your ID?
Back home.
We're back.
I mean.
So I just spoke to the
That
individual that goes by the same name as you, that has that account on the phone, TD Bank, that none of your information is correct. Are you saying that's a lie? That you are who you say you are?
I feel like something's definitely wrong right now, and I just don't. I need to talk to an attorney, evidently, because I don't understand.
I don't even understand. It's a simple question. Go ahead and send a picture. So, right now we have fraud. Okay? I'll go back. What's your social?
It's gonna be a white female. Can you please also email me the picture on the deal?
So are you saying you are Cheryl? You are the individual that gave me that ID, and that is exactly who you are. That's who you were born with. That information.
I've already explained that. I do want to speak to an attorney, though. If you're really arresting me right now for...
Are you detained right now? So the ID she gave me, she's claiming that's who she is, from Pennsylvania. I spoke to the person that has the same information as her on the phone, the TD Bank that their records have, and that person has had the identity stolen in 3 different locations. So now you're telling me you are that person or you're not that person?
I've been telling you I'm that person, but I'm just trying to figure out why.
She's saying she wishes to speak to an attorney and that she doesn't want to say anything.
The girl said there was multiple Cheryl whenever she tried to look me up, so she had an issue even finding me in the beginning.
Yeah, we can't verify the social. The ID we got out of Pennsylvania, the picture that comes back to that is cut in half. It looks like it's not her.
Everything's correct besides the picture, apparently. And her identity's been taken in 3 different locations.
Yeah, so
she gave a social number. I don't know if that's it. See if they send a picture
That's
in the DMV.
Did we try and run her on our
That's what they're doing. Gomez is doing right now.
Do you drive? Are you driving?
No, I Ubered over.
Uber over.
Yeah. I did like that thing where you can get out and take a moment, go back, but they are doing that. So.
I told our teletype to email me the actual picture, so they're gonna also send me an email.
All right, bring your car over here.
Is my social wrong?
What's up?
I gave you the right social. Didn't have.
Yeah, we're just verifying the picture that's on the DMV.
Oh, okay.
That's what we just.
So am I being arrested?
No. It's just we're trying to figure out what's going on with your ID, the account we're trying to access, and all that information.
Right.
Let me go on that side.
Different person.
Am I free to go?
Actually, bring the computer over here.
790.
That's still 22, another person.
That's how y'all do it with the vests and all that.
Yeah.
No.
Look up statutes. See what you got. So, you're saying that ID belongs to you.
Yes, sir.
So when we run it, and that's the picture that comes up. So we're gonna try this again. What's your name?
Cheryl.
I'm gonna let you know, if we don't get your name, you're gonna go to jail. Because it's false information to a law enforcement officer. An arrestable crime. That's not you. That is 1000% not you.
Okay. I don't understand. I really don't understand.
We run the ID, that's the picture that comes up. It's also presenting a false ID to a bank. I can tell you this is a fake ID. I'll show you how. It's not a hologram. The hologram showed up.
Okay. I didn't print the ID.
So, who are you? You're not Cheryl.
I need to understand exactly what's happening right now because you just said that if I. No, I'm not.
No,
I'm not. I don't.
That's okay. We'll get in the car.
So if I.
Can you drop this
I'm
thing?
not done
No,
talking. I'm not done talking.
We're done.
No, I wasn't done talking with you.
We are
sir.
done.
We're done, man.
We are done.
Turn around.
You definitely have.
Hold on. I'm trying to. Can you hold on 1 second?
Take your hand. Take that thing in the pocket.
I'm just putting my phone.
Your phone's not going.
I know.
So you're putting it.
Ow. My wrist is already messed up. It's
Can you give me an extra cuff?
Here's a
So what?
chase card for Cheryl.
I got it.
Oh, okay. I was just trying to make it easier so I could put my arm back.
Put it in the car.
Separate from what happened in there. So you have another charge added. So
I'm not trying to have anything
so
added on
we
anything.
can go back and forth with this. It is what it is. So if you want to add an extra charge to what you already have in there, that's up to you. All right, we could be here all day. Or you want us to keep on because we're gonna take you to county jail.
Okay.
This is what's gonna happen. When you get there, we're gonna book you as a Jendo. We'll book you as a Jendo. You're gonna be there until they identify you. If it takes
Water.
No, not right now.
So
I'll take it.
there's something on this other pocket.
yeah, lighter and I think pen.
America's most convenient bank. Which bank is that? There's no caller ID.
I mean, she made that call while I was standing over right here with her.
I was just trying to let them know so they can hear that people.
Who's that?
Literally my person.
The person?
Yeah.
Doesn't make any sense. Start walking over there.
I'm gonna be put in as a Jendo, obviously, so I can give you my name.
So you want to give me your real name?
I didn't. Listen, you don't understand. You don't know
Keep walking.
me.
Take a seat. Alright, what's your real name?
Christina.
Christine?
Whoever she was on the phone with dropped her here.
Okay.
But which I wanted to talk to my Uber. I said, where's the Uber? Or I don't know. So whoever that she was with will drop her up here.
Well, she's possibly giving her real name now.
I don't have a photo ID.
What do you have to identify who you are?
I'm in the process of getting one, sir. I do not
What
have.
have you had in the past to identify who you are?
I've had an ID in the past, but my license has been suspended.
That's fine.
Yeah,
What kind? From where?
from Georgia.
Georgia.
Yeah.
The date was September 25, 2025, and as the doors opened at 9 a.m. at a local branch in Charlotte, North Carolina, a woman walked in with a calculated plan to steal thousands. What she didn't know was that the real account holder, located hundreds of miles away in Pennsylvania, was already one step ahead. The suspect, posing as a customer, approached the teller and attempted to withdraw $4,200 in cash. She provided the last 4 digits of a compromised account and a Pennsylvania driver's license. However, the bank had already flagged the account. The legitimate owner had alerted the fraud department that her identity had been systematically stolen across multiple states. Quietly, the bank manager signaled for the police. When officers arrived, the woman stayed in character. Identifying herself as Cheryl, she insisted the ID was hers and that the money belonged to her. Even when officers informed her they were currently on the phone with the real Cheryl in Pennsylvania, the suspect didn't blink. However, the charade began to crumble during the physical inspection of her credentials. Officers quickly identified the ID as a high-quality counterfeit, noting the lack of a genuine holographic seal. When read her Miranda rights, the suspect immediately shut down, requesting an attorney as her confidence evaporated. The standoff lasted for nearly an hour. Officers warned her that if she continued the lie, she would face additional felony charges for providing false information to law enforcement and would be booked as a Jane Doe indefinitely. Faced with a permanent stay in county lockup, the suspect finally broke. She revealed her true identity was Christine. She admitted she was a fugitive from Georgia with a suspended license and was part of a larger identity theft ring. What started as a quick $4,200 score ended with a one-way trip to a prison cell. Subscribe for more videos and witness the frontline fight against crime with Bodycam Real Files. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new high-stakes investigation.